Okay guys, so this is my finished makeup look. It's looking very, very beautiful. I did a tutorial on it and it was actually pretty fun doing it. I also did a hair tutorial on how I got this style and where I got this wig from. This beautiful, beautiful wig, and how I achieved this look. Just go to my Instagram, follow me on here, subscribe, like, get them likes up, get them views up, share it, do what you gotta do. Get it out there. Also, hopefully I'll be getting more videos up to you guys. I know it's been a minute. I've been gone for a minute. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a hot minute. It's been a few months. But yeah, there's been a lot going on in my life. But here we are. We're here. So if you want to know how I achieved this natural, glowy makeup look, then keep watching. So today I'm starting off with my eyebrows. I did this off camera. It's an Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. Next we move on to our NARS primer, Pore and Shine Control Primer. And I'm just put that on my hands and rub it all over my face. Next we're going in with our color correcting concealing palette in pure orange. And we're just gonna put that in our dark circles and blend it out with our beauty blender. Next, we're going in with our Mercier powder using the little Laura Puff. I put that all over my face. This works for me because I have combination skin and I don't get as oily throughout the day. For my foundation, I am using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. That is my favorite foundation at the moment. And I'm just put a little bit on the back of my hand. I dip the brush in, and I just put it all over my face. Next, we're taking our Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the color Neutral. We're just going to put a little bit towards the inside of the nose because less goes a long way. And then I'm just going to also put it in the areas of my face where I just want it to be just a tad bit lighter. Next, we're going in with the butt of the beauty blender and we're using our Laura Mercier powder to set our concealer. Also, I am going to do just a tad bit of baking, just a little bit. Y'all gonna see, it's gonna come out flawless. Okay, on to our eyes. I am priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Caffeine. I find that my eyeshadow definitely pops when I use this primer. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that primer with some Laura Mercier powder, what we just used to bake with. And I find that when I set it, it's not as sticky, if you know what I mean. But it definitely, the eyeshadow definitely looks a lot better and just a lot, you know, cleaner and just pops. Okay, on to my favorite part, the eyeshadow. We're going to be taking the MAC palette and it is called Burgandy ×9, and we're just going to take that darker color and put that right in the crease, doing just a slight smoky eye, just a little slight, just something slight, okay, slight. Okay, and then next we're going to be using just a lighter shade, and we're going to put that close to where we put that darker color and just blend it all out. Next, we're going to be taking our Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. It is the Rose Gold edition, and we're just going to add just a little pop, just some glitter to our eyes. And I'm going to be taking that darker color and I'm just going to blend out the waterline down below. Okay, we're going to wipe away what we just baked, and I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powdered foundation just to wipe it all away. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. I did that off camera. Next, we're using our Too Faced mascara. It's called Better Than Sex. And we're just gonna put that all over our lashes. And next we are going to highlight with this Diamond Glow powder. It is called La Peach. It is Jackie Aina's highlighter. It is literally so beautiful. Look how beautiful that is on my melanin. It makes my melanin pop. I be popping in the sun. I be glowing in the sun. But I definitely love this powder. It makes my skin so beautiful and glowy. Onto our lips, we are going to line them with the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. It is a very natural lip liner. I love this lip liner. I use it with a lot of my looks. Next, we're going to use the NYX Soft Matte lipstick in the color Rome. It is very pretty. It's like a natural pink, if you get my drift. Very natural. It's so beautiful. Completing this look, we're going to take our MAC Fix Plus spray and we're going to spray it all over our face, just setting our face. And guess what, guys? I'm so glad you guys watched this video. Follow your girl on Instagram, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.